5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Yeah, sorry Michael, I would just go with these people since we both... I'm sorry for Korean people. For your things next time.
Beware.
Last phase, I would like you not focus on Tadpole and Sally focus on Bok. Never mind Sally. Mike, you focus on Bok, please.
It's better for me if somebody else can do that.
Not bacon of meat.
Yeah, it's on both of them, so I'll focus on both of them two at the same time.
Sally, you will do Bok. So Tina on Tadpole, Sandy on Bok.
Okay.
Make sure that all the healers switch to one tank and the other one get left without anything. But I think that's what happened. We're done here.
Oh my ass.
Wait till we kill the operator and then push it. Or get him very low. Okay, now if we can push it, push it.
Beware.
I'm tanking now.
Beware.
When the prime minister is by a target. Done with the stuff first anyway.
Doesn't need to be perfect.
Beware.
Mushroom down for the ranged. There you are next. The cooldowns. Nobody see fit.
Beware.
Don't do any more DPS on this slag until we're ready to kill it.
Make sure it's close.
Beware.
Yeah, move
Whoever
closer
is
to the flag.
targeted, move it.
Next time, Michael.
5, 4, 3,
Push, push, push.
1.
Beware.
Ellie, you are next with your cooldown.
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Close up. Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
5, 4,
Move away from the slag. It will explode soon.
1.
Beware.
Hemming.
Quick. What will use your slack next?
Beware.
Or mastery is available.
The next one, please, Michael. I'll stampede here. Finish stuff.
Beware.
My slag's almost dead.
5,
Not heavy.
I think.
4, 3, 2,
Yes, almost.
1.
Want me to move it away?
Yeah, please. Now we should be okay.
Beware.
Stay where you are, stay where you are. Come back, fast.
This one's gonna die.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2.
That might not have been mine actually. But it moved when I moved out, so someone else might have as well.
Thanks, Pierce.
Oh, I got back anyway.
Don't try to move with us after this, please. I'll try next. When I see fit.
Apparently Aura Mastery didn't go off, so it's still available,
4,
sorry.
3, 2.
Mine's low again. It's on 35%.
Beware.
Tanking. I use it before you make
I'm
it.
tanking
Make sure
security
that you
guard, please get him off.
Beware.
Where are you then?
Go to
I
the
was
tank.
last, yeah, he was
5,
just moved on.
4,
For the
3,
tank.
2, 1.
Beware.
Mine's here. It's dead.
Next one, Michael.
Beware.
Don't have anything. You go somewhere close.
Beware.
So people have placed for pilot fire.
1.
Beware.
Play when you see fit.
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Move right to the very back. Which tank is that?
Pokemon.
In a bubble on the right.
Beware.
Let the build your zone, please.
Not on me.
Do not let anybody die.
Beware.
Hold the fire coolers down.
Beware.
Yep.
Stack up please in melee. Everyone. The only reason to
Amplify
be out is
magic.
because of melt.
Beware.
Defend, amplify magic.
Got melt on you, haven't you? Al?
Beware.
Did I? Alright, okay.
Watch your mill, don't drop it on the right.
Beware.
Lo-
Beware.
Hemming.
User in your channel timed out.
Beware.
Ah, I think I did, but as long as it doesn't accept it, I think.
Hold please. Hey Tom.
Beware. Beware.
There's nothing here. Just
Grab
remember
pencil,
to
please.
pin on the pencils.
Beware.
Use it, please. Fuck this boss.
Fuck
Good
yeah.
job.
Lost.
Good job.
What's up, everybody?
Oh,
It's Taboo the Master Leader.
I think so.
Yeah.